To my channel. In this video I wanted to give you a little glimpse of my life and share with you my workout journey. I wanted to also share some tips that I've learned over the years in exercising, and I just want to empower you to focus on your self-care in 2024. So let's get into this video. Hey y'all, on a track, like I said I would be working on my arms and my stomach. When I first came out here, I didn't have intentions on shooting a video, so I didn't have my tripod, but fortunately for me, I had another workout warrior out here to help me take some clips so I could show you my workout journey. Please excuse me, I'm out here working out without makeup. I'm not out here by myself. It's a bunch of workout warriors here in the field. I am at a high school called Oak Park outside of Detroit. It's one of my favorite places, and it's nostalgic because when I was younger on the track team, I used to run track here. So Park School has this nice little outdoor park out. And, I left my bottled water in the car. It tastes like great old Michigan tap water, good for the immune system. You might wonder why I'm not in Detroit practicing on one of the Detroit school tracks. Well, they tend to lock a lot of residents out of the track. So I'm forced to come out here to this beautiful Oak Park track and get my workout in. But it's okay because I live very close to here on 8 Mile. You might have heard of it. You know, it's not like Detroit is this crazy, dangerous place like everybody else is making it seem. The city of Detroit high schools locking their track up so the residents in the area can't use the track. I think that just shows the lack of interest in public health. I grew up, born and raised in Detroit. I stay in Detroit, and I would love to just go around the corner to the track at Renaissance High School, my alma mater, but it's not open to the public. Granted, not everybody is respectful of property, but don't punish everybody. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We have other options. Fitness is very important to me in my self-care journey. It helps me build my confidence. It helps me feel good. It helps me look good. And so I always make an effort to eat well and work out. And if you're interested in this apparel t-shirt that I have, you can purchase it from my website. I'm working out, y'all. I got my sweatband on because what I forgot to mention was I had surgery a couple months ago, fibroid surgery, and I'm trying to lose this 3-year-old baby fat. So wish me luck. I'm out here determined. Yeah, you heard that right. Fibroid surgery. I had fibroids that was bigger than 10 centimeters, which is like 6 inches if you're from America. And so I was praising the Lord after I got them removed in February. And so now I'm just on my journey to recover and get back to my pre-baby weight and body and mentality. I'll have to tell you about that story a little later, but I've got pictures.
Stretching is a vital part of working out. I read somewhere that you must warm up your muscles before you stretch, or you can risk injuring yourself.
Okay, I officially worked out for 3 miles, and that's pretty much running 1.5 miles and walking 1.5 miles. And so I must let you know that this is only my 2nd day on the track, and I'm feeling good. So maybe by the end of this month, the end of June, I'll be able to run a full 2 miles. So we'll see, and I'll keep you posted come the end of this month what I'm doing. But this is probably the only workout video I'm gonna do because I ain't trying to give it to you all the way raw. I want to put on some makeup and dress cute in these videos. Alright, peace. Check out Self-Care Junkie in my Etsy shop or my website where you can get yours, because this year in 2024 we're taking care of ourselves, skin and all. Thanks for stopping in and watching this entire video. I hope I inspire you to get your workout on. Please like and subscribe if you like this content, and I hope to see you around in my next video. Thanks. Bye.